Hello, YouTube viewers. Thank you for tuning into my channel. And today I want to share with you my closet, but not just my closet. It's an idea for extra shelving. And yesterday I took my whole closet and I gutted it out, meaning gutting it out. When I say that, I mean taking every single item from the closet and putting it back and seeing what I need to throw away, what I need to get rid of, whatever. So anyway, in putting everything back, after I put it back, I realized that these mannequins, the ones that hold the jewelry, I didn't put them back in, and this was full. So I had to make extra shelving. Overnight, I just thought it out, and I said to myself, well, I have this piece of wood. This is a plywood. It's like 12 by 36, I think it is. And I just wrapped it up with a nice paper. Now, let's say you're a man and you need shelving for your Hot Wheels, for your collection of cars. You can use a plaid pattern. You can use black and white, gray, brown, whatever, and you can wrap it up. You can use contact paper or whatever you want to, cover your piece of wood, and it serves as extra shelving. Now, in order to hold it up, I took a plastic unit of shelves. This part, I got that from Walmart a while back, and I had it in my supply closet, and I just took it out so I could use it as a base here and a base here. So it's holding up the plywood. Since the things that I have here are not heavy, this plywood is not going to warp. It's not going to bend because it's very sturdy. These are just small things. I mean, they add up in weight, but they'll never be heavy enough to warp it. So that was my idea, and it did give me a lot of extra room because I was able to put the stuff that I left out. So let's see, maybe I'll go through it real quick with you. So anyway, this is my closet here, all around. If you go all around, all the way to the door, there are the bags there. Then I have a couple of other things here, a piggy bank, some other stuffed animals. Now, these are things that I hate to put in the basement, but this is the only place where I'll display it. I mean, your guests don't have to see your clutter if you don't show it to them. But to me, this is not clutter. To me, these are keepsake items. I would hate to put this in the basement. I would hate to do that. So I have them displayed. I have my makeup bags, my travel bags, things like that. Look, that's a picture of my friend. Me and my friend, and I have the dolls. Then I have stuff up there. And this is the pretty part. I love the pretty part. Those mirrors that I have there, I have an extra one somewhere around. And my mannequins to hold my jewelry, the chains and all that, the necklaces. Some posters back there. And actually, these sofas are jewelry boxes. I don't want to, let me see, maybe I'll show you this one. See this one? That's a jewelry box, so I can open it. See how this part opens? How neat. I bought this in a store in Manhattan, in New York. I was passing by and I went in there. It was a dollar store, but they had stuff that was way more than $1. So, what did I pay for that? Maybe like $12, I think. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 9, and that one was maybe 12, the big one. I forgot. So anyway, so the piece of plywood is covered with that paper that I told you about. It's not contact paper. It's not adhesive. I just used double-sided tape and then reinforced it with packing tape. And I made myself an extra shelf. This could be temporary until I go to IKEA and get something better. But you know what? I like it. It's cute. And for a closet, hey, it works for me. So now, if you have a space and you need extra shelving, try something like this out. All you really need is a piece of plywood. That's all you need. The paper is easy to get. And don't let anybody tell you that you have clutter and that, oh my God, that's too much and you're hoarding and stuff like that. Because everyone has their own space and you do whatever you want with your own space. Okay, so this is my space and this is the way I have it decorated. Alrighty. Okay. Let's go slowly over here. I have a picture of myself here. Some chairs. And I have a picture. Oh, this one. This is a picture of my mom. I lost my mom back in July. And I have her picture here. This is her wedding picture. Look how beautiful she was. She is. She's still beautiful. Maybe I'll make another video later on and I'll talk about, about her. But for now, I'm going to put her picture right there. And actually, I do have some keepsake items in here that belong to her. Like this little gift box. It's actually a musical box. Look at that. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. And maybe I'll be back with a video. And I'll talk a little bit about my mom. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this gave you a good idea for extra shelving. And it doesn't matter if you're a woman or a man. You can always use masculine paper or contact paper or whatever you decorate your wood with. Okay, thanks for watching.